Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today is day 13 of our W3 Schools Python series. In previous videos, we already seen what is Python, how to install Python, syntax, commands, variables, data types, numbers, casting. In today's video, we will see Python strings. So click on that. In Python strings, we have slicing strings, modify strings, concatenate, format, escape, characters, string methods, string exercises. So we will see one by one. So let's get started. Python strings. Strings means a group of character. In Python, strings are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. We can give this is hello is a string, is a group of characters. We can give inside a single quotation or a double quotation. Both are same. We can use anything, it's fine. You can display a string literal with the printf x function. So printf, we will see this example. Printf hello with the double quotes, printf hello with the single quotes will give the same result. We will see that practically. Now click on that. Now click on run. You can use double or single quotes. See, we are getting the same output, hello, hello. With the use of double quotes and single quotes, we will get the same output. So we can use both. And now, assign string to a variable. Assigning a string to a variable is done with the variable name, followed by an equal sign and the string. For example, here a is the variable, and to assign a string hello, we have to use double quotes and we have to assign a value by using equal to symbol to assign the string to a variable a and print of a. Now we are printing the value variable a. So we will see this example practically. Now click on try it yourself. Now click on run. Yeah, here a equal to hello, print of a means we got hello. We need to assign a string hello to get a value. Print a means we are printing the variable a which is containing string value. So hello is printed. Now we will see multi-line strings. We can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using three quotes. By using this a equal to three quotes and last three quotes. This is all the information we need to give in the middle with three quotes. And later on we have to print that variable a. Now we will see this example practically. Now click on try it yourself. Click on run. In the previous example, we have seen just hello we printed. Now here we are printing multi-line strings. We have to use this triple quotes. See, we have got all the information which we have mentioned between the triple quotes. In this way, we need to use the triple quotes to print multi-line strings. Or we can also use single triple lines like this, single triple quotes. Now we will see this practically. Click on try it yourself. See, we are getting same output. In the previous example, we have seen double quotes, double triple quotes. Now here we are seeing single triple quotes. We will get the same output by using a single or double. Strings are arrays. Like many other programming languages, strings in Python are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. However, Python does not have a character data type. A string character is simply a string with a length of 1. Square brackets can be used to access elements of the string. So, here hello world means group of characters. In the Python, we don't have a character data type, but in the string, each element is considered as a character. So, Here, if we want to print H or he or L, each value has some index. Like index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Here H starts from 0, 0th index, 1, 2, 3 like that. If we want to print the character at the index value, like here we are printing A of 1 means we are printing the value which is present at the index 1 we are printing. So we will see this practically. Click on write yourself. See we are getting E value means H means 0th index, E means 1 index. So we are getting the value which is present at the index value 1. So E we are getting. In this way, we can use the string. I hope everyone clear with that. Now we will see the looping through a string. Since strings are arrays, we can loop through the string. We can loop through the characters in a string using a for loop. Here, loop through the letters in a word banana. For X in banana, banana we have to take in single quotes or double quotes is fine. And after that, print X. Here, we are looping the characters in the string. So, for X in banana means first it will take B value. And after that, A value, N value, A, N, A like that. Now, it will print the X value. Now, we will see this example practically. So, click on try it yourself. See, we are getting different characters like this. First, for X in banana means first it will take B value, it will print B value. And now again it will go to the loop and it will take A value and it will print the A value. And like this till A, it will do. We can, what I'm going to tell you that we can loop the string value by using for loop. I hope everyone clear with this code. Now move on to next code. Now, string of length. To know the length of the string, we have to use length function, length of square, length of this braces. Length function returns the length of a string. Here, hello world. I want to know the length of the string means how many characters are present in that string. So, a equal to hello world is a string and the print of length of a, we are printing the length of variable a which is containing hello world. Now we will see this example practically. Now click on try it yourself. See we got 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here we need to count comma, space, also one character. So we totally have 13 characters in this string. By using length function, we need to find the length of the string. Now check string. To check if a certain phrase or character is present in a string, we can use the keyword in. Here is the here in is the keyword. We need to check is the whether free is there in the this statement or not. The best things in life are free. So free is there. Now we are checking free in text. Here txt is the variable which we are assigning the value, this value string. In this particular string, we have free word or not, we are checking. To check that, we use in keyword. Now we will see this practically. Click on this. Yeah, true. Free in text means is the free word is present in this string or not. If it is present, it will give true. If it is false, if it that free word is not present in that string, then it will print false. Just it is like a boolean value, true, false, it will give. That's it. Use it, use it in an if statement. Print only if a free is present. Like txt equal to string. The best things in life are free. Now, if free in text, print is if free is present. Here Here what we are doing is, here txt is the variable, right? After that, if free in txt means we are checking is in txt free is there or not. If this statement is true, it will enter the statement and it will print as free is present. If this statement is false, it will not print this statement. In this way also we can use. So click on try it yourself. Yeah, yes, free is present. It is printed, yes, free is present. Because free in text is true, because we have free in the string. So this statement is true. Then it will enter the statement, if statement, and it will print yes, free is present. Then we got this. If free is not present in the text, then we will not print this. I hope everyone clear with that. And now check if not. To check if a certain phrase or character is not present in a string, we can use the keyword not in. In the previous example, we have seen in example. If this is there or not, we have checked. Now, here we are checking a certain character or a phrase is not present in a string or not. Not in, we have to use that keyword. No, so txt is the variable in that we have one string. Print expensive, not in text. The best things in life are free. In this string, we don't have expensive. So expensive not in text. It is true because it is not there. Not in also like a boolean type. It will print false. It will print true, like that only. Now click on try it yourself. Yeah, true, because expensive is not present in this text. So we are getting true. If expensive is present in this string, then we are giving expensive not in text, it will give false. Like that. We have to use this. I hope everyone clear with that. And use it in an if statement. Print only if expensive is not present. Here txt is that string. Now if expensive is not in text, print means here if this statement is true, then it will enter the statement and it will print. Now we will see this example practically. So click on try it yourself. Now you can see here, yes, expensive is not present because here we are doing expensive not in text. If it is true, it will. If it is this, if the statement is true, then it will print the as expensive is not present. I hope everyone clear with that. We are checking not in the keyword. We need to be careful in, not in. Both are different. Yeah, that's it. We are done. Now we will take a brief look what we have learned today. So today concept is strings. String is a group of character. We can represent a single code or double code, and we can assign a string value to a variable a x like that, and we can give multi-line strings also by using single and triple quotes or a double triple quotes like this. And the strings are arrays. We can get the length of the string, and we can also get the value at the particular index like this. And we can also loop through the string, like for x in banana we are looping. And length of string, by using length of function we can get the length of a string, how many characters are present in that string, we can get that. And check string, if that word is present in that, it will print like that. We can also check by using in keyword, not in keyword, we can also use that. I hope everyone understand these concepts. In tomorrow class we will see slicing strings. And after that, we will see modify strings, concatenate strings, format, escape strings, booleans, operators, list tuples. We will see all these concepts one by one. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.